Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and play Call of Duty Mobile on PC or Mac. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I am going to teach you is how you can download and play Call of Duty Mobile on your PC using BlueStacks. So if you want to know on how you can do that, just continue watching this video and follow the steps that I am going to teach you. So here are the steps. So download first and install the BlueStacks on your PC, and you can complete Google sign in to access the Play Store, or you can do it later if you want to. And then after that, just look for Call of Duty Mobile Season 9 in the search bar at the top right corner and click to install Call of Duty Mobile Season 9 from the search results, and complete the Google sign in to install the Call of Duty Mobile Season 9. So this is if you skipped the step 2 earlier. And then after that, just click on to the Call of Duty Mobile Season 9 icon on the home screen to start playing. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can play the Call of Duty Mobile on your PC. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.